If you've ever watched any of my other courses on lynda.com, you'll know that I'm a huge proponent of efficiency. If I can save a few clicks per modeling operation, I know that over the life cycle of a design, that's going to save me a lot of time. On the screen, you can see an exercise file that I've created to show the window selection tool that's been added to Inventor 2017. The sketch on the screen has 4 closed-loop profiles, the rectangles you see in green, and let's take a moment to look at how you would select those traditionally. If we right-click in the graphics window and select Extrude, we would typically have to go and left-click on each of the profiles in order to select them. Not so bad, but that's 4 clicks to select. If I hit Escape on my keyboard and we right-click and select Extrude one more time, now we can look at the 2 different window selection options we have. The 2 different options depend on how you left-click and where you drag after you left-click. If you left-click and drag to the right, you'll get a window selection mode, which is red. If you left-click and then drag to the left, you'll get a green selection mode. This is called a crossing window. Let me show you the difference. We're going to go ahead and create a window selection by left-clicking and dragging to the right. And I'm going to pause my cursor here. And what you'll notice is that in the red area, we have 2 rectangles that are fully enclosed, and then we have 2 that are only being intersected. If I release my mouse button, you'll see that the 2 that were fully enclosed are selected. If I hit Escape on my keyboard, right-click and select Extrude one more time, now we can look at a crossing selection. What that means is I'm going to left-click, but this time I'm going to drag to the left instead of the right. Now, if I pause my cursor here, you can see that I've fully enclosed 1 rectangle, the one in the upper right, but I'm only intersecting the other 3. If I release my mouse button, you can see that all 4 are selected. Now, this might seem very minor, but while selecting profiles, we've saved 2 clicks. And again, over the lifetime of this design, those clicks add up. So it's nice to have this efficient way to select multiple profiles.